By default, every cell in Excel is locked when you protect the sheet, but we don't want to protect the entire sheet, just specific cells. The first thing we need to do is unlock all the cells. Press Ctrl+A or click the small square in the top left corner to select all cells. Right-click anywhere on the selected area and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab. Uncheck the Locked checkbox and click OK. This unlocks all the cells on the worksheet so we can select which ones to protect. Now that all the cells are unlocked, it's time to choose which ones you want to protect. Click and drag to select the cells you want to protect, or hold Ctrl to select individual cells. Right-click and choose Format Cells again. This time, go to the Protection tab and check the Locked checkbox. Click OK. Now we've marked the cells that will be locked once we protect the sheet. Next, let's protect the entire sheet so those locked cells are secured. Go to the Review tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, you'll see an option to set a password. This is optional, but if you want to restrict access, enter a password. Make sure the Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells option is checked. Click OK. If you set a password, Excel will ask you to confirm it. Now let's test it. Try editing one of the locked cells. You should get an error message saying that the cell is protected and cannot be edited. Now try editing an unlocked cell. You should be able to make changes without any issue. And that's it. Now you know how to password protect specific cells in Excel, giving you control over who can and can't edit sensitive information in your worksheet. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.